All right, y'all, today we are going to do something a little bit different. It's not a boat, but it is a jet ski, and it is a beautiful Chevrolet truck. We are going to coat the truck and these two jet skis. These are 2025 Sea-Doo Sparks with Start Yacht Care's Kraken ceramic coating, so stay tuned. All right, so we're just gonna take it and drip it just like that. It's a new pad. Now we're going to work in small sections. I'm going to start right here at the edge of the door. I'm going to go down, across, up. You're gonna work at about 2 by 2 sections. Okay, I'm gonna do one more pass. Then I'm gonna turn it this way and go the opposite direction, so we can make sure the whole entire panel is evenly coated. And all ceramics are different, so let's bring up the camera close up to where you can see what it looks like as soon as you apply it. Let's get on the side too so you can see it. All right, y'all, now we're starting to get that sweating effect. It is borderless. I'm just going to wipe off just like so. Now I'm actually going to push out where I didn't even coat so that I can make sure it's on there very evenly. And then after that first wipe, I'm going to flip my towel over and do it again. You want to make sure you get all the residue off. If you don't, it will dry up and be tacky, and you don't want to have any high spots, or you will have to go and buff them out. You don't want to work in too big of sections, or you're just gonna have a bad day and it's not gonna look good. And now that's done. All right, here's my next panel. You see it's starting to get bubbles in there and sweat. That's where we just did.
It works really good.
Yeah, it does. You just can't be in a rush when ceramic coating anything, or you're not gonna have perfect results. I mean, the shine it put on this truck for it being a old 96 Chevrolet, it looks really good. That is so amazing. So let's flip our towel over and wipe right here. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, the reflection. What do you think about it, Barry?
It's great.
It does. It looks really good. That is amazing. So I highly recommend. It's like little bubbles. It's like the truck is actually hot as hell and it's sweating. It's ready to go inside. It's tired of being a truck for the day. But yeah, I highly recommend keeping this in the package while you're doing it. Keep putting the lid back on and have a table to set it on, not a trash can. But yeah, it's going well. I like it.